for this mixture, you will need a carrier oil. I choose to use coconut oil. My hair loves coconut oil, but some people have problem with coconut oil, so you can either choose to use grapeseed oil. It's ready. I'm gonna leave 1 to 2 weeks, and then after I will start to use it on my hair and my scalp. This is an ingredient that I'm going to add to my DIY growth oil. You can choose to add as much ingredients to it as you want, but I already have my ingredients for my DIY growth oil, so I'm just going to add this to the recipe. So each time I want to make my DIY growth oil, I'm also going to add some of my black rice oil into it. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.